How to remove and replace scanner unit. HP LaserJet Pro M404dn. Welcome back to Tech Fix Everythings. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to remove and replace the scanner unit on the HP LaserJet Pro M404dn. As you can see, the printed pages are quite faded. This printer has been used for a long time and has been operating in a dusty environment. For that reason, I'll be replacing the scanner unit to ensure the print quality is clear and sharp again. Make sure you watch the entire video, as I'll be sharing step-by-step tips on how to improve the laser unit and restore clean, high-quality prints. First, unplug the printer's power cord and remove the toner cartridge. Next, proceed to remove the printer's outer covers. Please follow along as I show you each step of the process. If you've made it this far, please take just 5 seconds to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this video, and leave a comment letting me know where you're watching from. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more helpful and high-quality content for you. Thank you so much. The scanner unit plays a critical role in generating and directing the laser beam to form images on the drum. After long-term use, especially in dusty environments, the internal mirrors inside the scanner unit can become contaminated or degraded, reducing their reflectivity. This causes the laser intensity to weaken, resulting in faded prints, unclear text, or uneven print quality. If thorough cleaning does not improve the print quality, and other possible causes such as the toner cartridge or the high voltage board have already been ruled out, then replacing the scanner unit is necessary to restore sharp, consistent, and reliable print output. The scanner unit typically has 2 potentiometers that are used to fine-tune the laser beam intensity. After long-term use, the laser output may weaken, resulting in faded prints. If the scanner unit is still functional, you can carefully adjust these potentiometers to improve print quality. First, mark the original positions of both potentiometers so you can revert to them if necessary. Using a small screwdriver, adjust each potentiometer slightly, one step at a time, usually by turning it gently clockwise to increase the laser intensity. After each adjustment, temporarily reinstall the scanner unit and run a test print to check the results. Be careful not to over-adjust, as excessive laser power can cause print defects or shorten the lifespan of the scanner unit. If the print quality does not improve, even after careful adjustment, replacing the scanner unit is the safest and most reliable solution. After replacing the scanner unit, the print quality is excellent, dark, sharp, and very clean. I replaced the scanner unit, and now the print output looks great with clear and crisp results. And as you can see, after replacing the scanner unit, the print quality has improved significantly. The prints are darker, sharper, and very clean. The printer is now operating stably again. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the Tech Fix Everything's channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave a comment to support the channel. See you in the next video.